Unveiling the Mystery, Understanding by Night. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, by night. You might have come across this phrase in books, movies, or even in everyday conversation, and wondered what exactly it means. Well, worry no more. In this video, we are going to break it down and help you understand how and when to use by night in English. The phrase, by night, literally refers to something that happens during the nighttime. For example, when we say, the city is illuminated by night, we mean that the city lights up and becomes bright after the sun sets. Example 1. The streets are quiet by day, but come alive by night. Example 2. The guard watches over the building by night. In these examples, by night helps to set the time frame for the actions, indicating that they take place during the night. Sometimes, by night is used in a more figurative way, to describe a contrast between a person's daytime role and their nighttime activities or personality. Example 3. She is a teacher by day and a musician by night. Example 4. He works in an office by day, but is a superhero by night. In these cases, by night helps to highlight the duality or contrast in the person's life or character. 1. Context is key. Pay attention to the context in which by night is used. Is it talking about a specific time of day? Or is it describing a contrast or dual nature in something or someone? 2. Be clear. Ensure that when you use by night, it is clear from the context what you mean. 3. Practice. Try creating your own sentences using by night to describe different scenarios, both literal and figurative. And that's it for today's lesson on by night. We hope that this video has helped shed some light on this phrase and that you now feel more confident using it in your own English conversations and writings. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. Until next time, happy learning!